Hi, my name is Akshay. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about books that will hopefully help you get out of your reading slump if you are in one. And I hope you're able to find at least one book out of all the recommendations that will hopefully break your reading slump. First one is One Day by David Nichols. This was also my first read of 2026 and easily made it to my favorite list. So basically what happens is we follow Emma and Dexter who meet for the first time on 15th July 1988, and from there on we see them on 15th July every year for the next 20 years, and you literally watch them grow individually, professionally, emotionally over these 20 years, and I feel that itself adds so much more depth to the story, to the characters, to the entire relationship. Because the story spans over such a period of time, it never feels stagnant. You're always curious कि अब क्या होने वाला है, अब क्या करने वाले ये लोग. And it's like you're living alongside Emma and Dexter. This book will definitely get you out of your reading slump, and also the writing is extremely beautiful. The story is really immersive, so do give it a try. Next one we have is Five Survive by Holly Jackson. Now I feel thrillers are also a really great way to get out of your reading slump because most of them are really fast paced and addictive, and this is one of them. So basically what happens is six friends are on a road trip when in the middle of nowhere their RV breaks down, and now they have no way out, no help, no signal, nothing. And what's the twist? There's a sniper outside who wants one of them dead until and unless they tell him a secret that he's looking for. Now nobody knows कि वो secret क्या है, वो secret किस इंसान को पता है, किसी को नहीं पता है कि exactly क्या चाहिए उस आदमी को. And 90% of the book happens in the RV, so it's really intense, really claustrophobic, and it is addictive because you cannot stop reading it, especially post 50 pages. 50 pages में थोड़ा build up हो रहा है, but उसके बाद you cannot stop reading this book. So ये तो पढ़ लो, मतलब if you like reading thrillers, then this is a good one. Next is Daisy Jones and the Six. Now this one is a little different because it's written in an interview format, so it's like you're watching a documentary, and trust me, it's insanely addictive. So it follows a rock band at the peak of their fame and how they define rock and roll, their success, the relationships within the band, and eventually the mystery of why they broke up. I feel Taylor Jenkins Reid does an incredible job when it comes to writing emotional, complex characters, and this book is no exception. It's so beautiful. If you want something that is dramatic, impossible to put down, तो ये पढ़ लो भाई. Since we're talking about the reading stuff, तो एक romance recommendation तो बनता है. Today Tonight Tomorrow by Rachel and Solomon. This book is like really fast paced. If you like young adult romance, तो तुम ये पढ़ सकते हो. It's basically about Rowan and Neil, who were academic rivals throughout their high school, and suddenly they have to team up on the last day of their graduation because of this game called Howl. I think so. Obviously, what started as a competition turns into something sweeter and softer and romantic. And since it's set over 24 hours, it's really fast paced. You can literally finish it in one sitting, and the banter is great, and you can feel the enemies to lovers well attention. So if you are okay reading a young adult romance, तो ये पढ़ लेना. Is A Shimla Fair by Shrishti Chaudhary. I feel Shrishti Chaudhary does a great job when it comes to writing strong female characters, and she has literally outdone herself in this one. So basically, this one is set in 1940s pre-independence India, where we follow three sisters, Noor, Afreen, and Nalini, who runs the Royal Hotel Shimla. But their lives take a U-turn when they are asked to aid in a murder conspiracy during hotel's Samuchudri ball. Love reading historical fiction. One of the reasons being that we get to see the women's perspective, women who fought, women who sacrificed, women who stood their grounds, since we all know history often tends to forget women. This one is really intense, thrilling, and extremely fast paced. So ये तो पढ़ लो. And lastly, Before the Coffee Gets Cold, I feel at this point everybody knows about this book. It's basically a collection of four short stories, and it's also part of series. ये series की पहली book है. So basically, it is set in a small cafe in Tokyo where if you sit in a particular chair, you can actually travel back in time, but there are just certain rules that you need to follow. This one is really cozy, heartwarming, just feel good book. And if you enjoy reading short stories, so you can read this one. So yeah, that's it. I hope you were able to find at least one book that will help you out of your reading slump. And please feel free to drop in your own recommendation in the comment section. Also, let me know if there is any particular book video you'd like me to do. I would love to do it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.